Arendals Fossekompani is an investment company that owns energy and technology-related companies, which enable the transition to a green economy. We are the majority owner of companies with more than 2,200 employees in 27 countries. AFK was established in 1896 and has been listed at the Oslo Stock Exchange since 1913. Our headquarters are in Arendal. For more than 100 years, Arendals Fossekompani has been a proud producer of renewable energy from 2 hydropower plants in Norway. Several of our subsidiaries are also in the green industry segment. The United Nations lists 17 Sustainable Development Goals for 2030. Arendals Fossekompani has identified 2 of these goals where we really can make a difference. Sustainable Development Goal 7, Clean, Affordable Energy, and Sustainable Development Goal 9, Innovation and Infrastructure. In addition, our subsidiaries have identified several goals of their own. Let's take a closer look at 2019. It has been a year with good performance. NSSL Global delivered higher profitability than ever before, driven by a strong mix of products and increased demand for bandwidth. Tekna increased powder sales by 50%. Tekna also established a joint venture with metal giant Aperam. Powell achieved remarkable results, increasing EBITDA from 16 to 86 million kroner. Recurring revenue is at approximately 60%. On the negative side, Scanmatic Electro lost 53 million kroner, mostly related to one specific project. And the downturn for international automakers hit EFD Induction hard. The company sadly had to lay off more than 100 employees. Total revenues came in at 4.8 billion kroner, slightly lower than in 2018. Earnings per share came in at 20 kroner. If we include financial gains, earnings per share was 121 kroner. The board of directors proposed a dividend of 56 kroner per share to be paid for 2019, which is the same payout as in 2018. The board also proposes a transition from yearly to quarterly dividends, starting in September this year, based on the performance in the second quarter. The financial capacity of Arendals Fossekompani is high, with 664 million kroner in net cash and equivalents, and 1.7 billion in unused credit facilities. AFK has more than 2 billion kroner in available liquidity. AFK also has property shares worth 565 million kroner. Our financial situation enables us to make new investments and see our subsidiaries well through the COVID-19 pandemic. What are the effects of COVID-19 on the companies of Arendals Fossekompani? A majority of our companies are part of, or closely connected to, critical infrastructure. This makes them less vulnerable in times like these, and so far, the effects of the pandemic have been limited. However, a prolonged global close-down will of course affect any business. A majority of our companies also have a flexible cost base. The pandemic certainly stressed the organization during the first quarter of 2020. Our primary focus has been on the health of our employees and on making sure that we deliver our products and services to our customers and the society. We have also been expedient in our efforts to reaffirm our financial position, and we have done financing deals for more than 1 billion kroner. We have extended a credit facility of 900 million kroner. We have drawn on another credit facility and transferred 150 million kroner to a cash account. We borrowed 80 million kroner from government-backed arrangements in Spain to fund our local power and heating production. And we also secured a long-term loan to finance any unsold apartments in the building project Bryggebyen. In March, we launched a new company. Value comprises 4 of our subsidiaries. Value provides optimization, simulation, price forecasts, sensors, and market operations in the energy space. The company has more than 500 employees, 2,000 customers in 44 countries, and 800 million kroner in revenue, of which approximately 60% is recurring revenue. We have high expectations for Value as a very profitable, green tech, international growth company. So far, 2020 has been a dismal year for power producers, reflecting a massive snowfall this winter. Prices are expected to remain low for most of 2020. This could see total revenues from power generation come in about 100 million kroner lower than in 2018. Prices are, however, expected to rise again during the next winter season and in the years ahead. Total revenues in the first quarter were approximately 130 million kroner lower than in 2019. This is mainly due to the closing of a money-losing facility of Cogen Energia in Spain. In total, revenues from other subsidiaries are at the same level as last year. The low price of electricity is the main reason why the operating result for this quarter is 40 million kroner below last year. Excluding electricity sales, the total operating results for our subsidiaries is higher in the first quarter of 2020 than in the same quarter of 2019. The performance of NSSL Global and Tekna is especially strong. NSSL Global has secured 2 substantial contract renewals with international governmental organizations, and Tekna has increased powder sales by a whopping 71% compared to the first quarter of last year. "2020 has the promise of a journey into uncharted territory. Our primary focus is to bring our employees, customers, and shareholders safely through the COVID-19 pandemic. Arendals Fossekompani has a robust financial position, with no net interest-bearing debt. We intend to make more investments, but we do have the patience to wait for sound opportunities. Arendals Fossekompani is known for its strong position in sustainability and green tech. Combined with quarterly payment of dividend, we aim to continue to be an attractive choice for current and future employees and shareholders.